Hello, welcome or welcome back. It's your woman Angela K. O.D. We are still in Ghana and today we are making soya tilapia with crispy fried yam. Come with me and let's make this delicious meal. But if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela K. O.D. and everyone watching my videos, this is for you. Thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Thank you. Come with me and let's go together. Our ingredients, we'll be needing our tilapia, yam, blended ginger and garlic, soya powder, oil, and salt to taste. So these are the ingredients we'll be needing for cooking. We start by seasoning our fish. Go ahead and make nice line on it for the spices to really get into our fish, guys. We start by adding salt on the fish. You really need a lot of salt on this fish because this fish is coming from the lagoon, so it doesn't have any salt in it. Go ahead and add oil to the blended garlic and ginger. Stir it in. A little bit of more oil. Let's go ahead and add the spices to the fish. So go ahead and set it aside and start with the peeling of our yam. So guys, we start by peeling our yam. I don't need this part, so this part I'll cook it later. Guys, we are cutting our yams into like a shape like fries, potato fries. Guys, look, just the shape, a little bit bigger, but it's okay. Go ahead and add salt to the water for the yam. It's very important, guys, because with normal fries you can sprinkle with salt, but with yams, if you really want the tastiest yam, add salt to the water. Guys, it's time to grow our tilapia, our soya grilled tilapia. Guys, it's a must for you to try this recipe. This soya tilapia is a must to try, guys. Try this soya tilapia. You are going to thank me later. The soya powder brings a lot of flavor and taste to your tilapia. Try it. When you grill it with your soya powder, you will see the outcome with the crispy yam will be you. Go ahead and sprinkle some soya powder on your tilapia, guys. So well, just say. And yes, I'm cute. It's a must for you to try. We'll turn it upside down and also sprinkle some more soya powder on the other side. So do the same to this one. Suya tilapia, guys. It's only on Angela KOD's channel, guys. It's ready, so go ahead and put it in the oven. We set our oven to 180 degrees for 15 minutes. So now we are going to bake it for 170 degrees for 15 or 20, between 15 and 25 minutes. It depends on how juicy you want your tilapia. Some people want a little bit in between, other ones it's so very juicy. So go ahead and put our soya grilled tilapia in the oven. Let's go into the oven. Let's go ahead and check on our tilapia. Guys, look at this. It is so amazing. So guys, we are prepping our tomatoes and onion for the yam. What is fried yam without tomatoes and onion? Yes, guys, let's go ahead and fry our crispy yam. So guys, this yam is so delicious with the soya tilapia. Guys, this is real puna. Can you see the color? So this real puna can only be found in Ghana. See the old Bible chain there, yana it is and to say and to say you do a Ghana. To feel the ana de pa. Guys, let's check on our tilapia. A juicy, delicious tilapia is ready. Soya tilapia. Guys, look at this. It looks so delicious. It's ready. I'll go ahead and put off the oven. Guys, our crispy yam is ready. Check the sound. Look, it's really super crunchy or crispy. So I'll go ahead and remove it from the oil. Look at this. Oh, what's the sound on it? Sound don't no cry or something, no. It's only on Angela KOD's channel. Almost every see. Why not corner? Our soya tilapia is ready. Let's go ahead and serve. Look at this. Look at this. Guys, let's go ahead and serve some crispy yam. Look at this. Can you hear the sound? Very crunchy or crispy. Let's add in some pepper dip, guys. Look at this. Some onions, guys. Some tomatoes to go with. Look at this. We'll go ahead and add our shita. Guys, look at this. If you want more soya, you just sprinkle some on it, guys. Look at the deliciousness. Guys, we'll go ahead and sprinkle with more soya powder. Look at this deliciousness. Our food is ready. It looks so yummy. It looks so delicious, guys. Our soya tilapia, grilled tilapia, and crispy fried yam is ready. Onia ubedi you said the medical car, you know. Thank you so much for coming with me to make this delicious healthy meal. But if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD, and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Thank you. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye from Ghana. Bye bye from Suya. Bye. Kiss kiss.